Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F29 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume down button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. So you can see now here select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here select language and confirm. And you can see recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Just confirm the format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 2730. Enter it 2730. And you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. And here you can see really quickly data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, if it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO F29 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.